All right, tonight we're gonna make summer drink. This is from years and years of experience. I've got a couple of different mixtures that I ran out of, maybe a little bit of that or a little bit of that, and so I just reached in the liquor cabinet and added this and that until it tasted delicious. And every time I make it, everybody says, oh my God, that's the shit. So here we go. Summer drink. We're gonna start with some good Jose Cuervo tequila, some good vodka. I like Titos myself. Titos my man, made in Texas, right? Seagram 7. This is a flashback from the late 80s, early 90s. You guys don't know about this too much. And then Malibu. All right, Malibu is a coconut flavored rum. So here we go. 4 ounces of each one. We're gonna take our tequila. 4 ounces. Right there, boom. And I want y'all to measure this stuff out. Don't just eyeball it, because you're gonna end up putting too much liquor in there and mess yourselves up. Plus it messes up the flavor. The mixture is absolutely important. 4 ounces of vodka. Right there, the 4 ounces, bang, done. In the jug. Put the lid back on. Don't let your liquor evaporate. 4 ounces of Seagram 7. Blended Canadian whiskey. Bang, right there, in the jug. And 4 ounces of Malibu coconut flavored rum. So we got 16 ounces of liquor in here, is what we're working with. And you may think, wow, that's really crazy. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix enough mixers to where we got about 1 part alcohol to 3 part mixer. So that's gonna work out well. So follow the directions on the Jose Cuervo Margirita mix, and I highly recommend the Jose Cuervo Margirita mix when you're making margaritas. This stuff is absolutely wonderful. So we start with 4, we do 1 part to 3 parts, we're gonna go to 12 ounces. All the way to the top, there we go, 12 ounces of margarita mix, right in the jug. Next comes our cranberry. Who doesn't love a good vodka cranberry, right? So I'm only gonna put 6 ounces of that. There we go, 6 ounces of cranberry. Throw some color in there. Now, what goes better with a vodka cranberry than a delicious Red Bull? We're gonna put a whole can, 8 ounce pint can of Red Bull in there with it. Right on top. Look at that, almost full. Okay, good there. Half a can of 7-Up. So back in the 80s, like I said, we used to drink 7 and 7. There it is right there. It's a delicious drink. Put a little squeeze of lime on it. You like it all by itself. But we're gonna put a half a can of 7-Up on it, half a bottle, and that's gonna throw a little more fizz on it. Just like that. Now comes the fruit. Every good drink has got fruit in it. The girls love it. You give the fruit to the girls. They drink it, they get hammered. I'm gonna put that little orange right in half like that. Stand by. Gotta get my juicer. Here we go. Get all the juice out of that orange. Maybe I should have done this before we made the video, but I wasn't thinking ahead, so oh well. I need a good sous chef perhaps to make this better. Squeeze that all the way down on half of it. Anytime you make a margarita as well, you should have a little orange juice in it. That's actually kind of like a Texas style thing. If you put a little orange juice in your margarita, it's going to come out fantastic. You'll like it so much more. Now I'm going to get the pulp and everything. I like chewing my drinks. So I'm going to throw the orange pulp in there as well as the juice, like that. Now we're going to take the other half of that orange after we take the decal off. Make that into little slices. Slice, about 6 of them maybe. Those go in. Bang. And we're also going to do the same with a couple of limes. Now, another little addition I found that really helps us out is some pineapple. So we might actually have to dump a little bit this to make it work. Watch this though. This is how you know when your summer drink is good. You put a good cap on it, give it a shake, and it didn't do it. Did it earlier, it popped off. I'm going to dump a little out so I got room for my pineapple. There we go. Here's my pineapple slice. I already cut it up. Throw that right in there. And I'm also going to put a little bit of that juice from the pineapple in it. Bang. Just to take a little bit of that bitter off. Now, here's what we got to do. Turn it over. Let the fruit float. Get it again. Now, with any good fruit drink, what you got to do is shake it. So I'm going to take my drink cup here. I'm going to add ice. About 3/4 of a cup. Shouldn't be using my hands, but I am. Throw the drink in. Put my shaker on top. You always got to give it a good smile when you shake it. Hang on. There we go. Dump it back in the cup. Give it one of those oranges for a garnish. Like that. And there you have summer drink. Give it a taste. What do you think?